If you saw this title thumbnail, you're probably wondering to yourself, what the hell does Elon Musk and Twitter have to do with being red pill? Well, allow me to enlighten you and explain why you see women having meltdowns when it comes to freedom of speech and mean words. For those of you who have been living under a rock, Elon Musk has just bought Twitter for $44 billion and has promised to make Twitter a free speech platform. This in turn has driven, mostly women, to rage online. Now, men tend to be more principled in their dealings with each other than women are with other women. This is because of men's ability to inflict violence. Men's morality is based on and evolved from consequences, which is why we have things like property rights, etc. Men look at morality in terms of justice, individual rights, whereas women are more concerned with the care and relationship with others. Yeah, I love women. For men, the sexual market value can be undermined by theft and violence. A woman's sexual market value can be undermined by slander. This is why when you have a group of men, you're usually going to get fake insults. When you have a group of women, you're going to get fake compliments.
Ugh, come on, Chris. Girls are terrible. They're always backstabbing and giving each other phony compliments.
Oh, wow, you are definitely not afraid of desserts.
You know, I wish I were secure enough to throw on any old thing and call it an outfit.
Come on, you have so much body confidence. I mean, who wouldn't with those strong legs? So muscular. I'm jealous of how thick with strength they are.
Hey, I like your tie. Thanks.
Men, we know how to be friends.
Unlike men, women tend to show aggression through words and ostracism. In the past, we lived in small communities and tribes. Ostracism was a death sentence to a woman, especially if she had children. Many studies show that men deal with isolation much better than women. When a woman is called a slut by other women, this signals to men that she comes either from a broken home, has a broken family, has no father, uses sex to get attention and resources without commitment, has no loyalty, which is extremely important to men, because what would you rather have? Would you rather have a satisfied wife or a loyal wife? I'm just saying. So has no loyalty or the ability to pair bond. When women gain more and more political power, words in society are seen as dangerous. This is why we now have things like trigger warnings, safe spaces, and you get hate speech laws like Bill C-16 in Canada that would fine you or arrest you for misgendering someone. Yes, that is a real law, by the way. That's a real law. This then undermines men as a whole, replacing freedom with a false sense of security, because women will rather have security than freedom. I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it. Women should have never gotten the right to vote.
Yo, a lot of you need to wake up. Wake up!
Look at cancel culture, which falls under the same category. Cancel culture is pretty much just female aggression. It shows that we have become a weak feminine society. But don't take my word for it. Look at what Jordan Peterson had to say.
The deepest reason for cancel culture, well, I would say there's two deep reasons. One is it's a form of bullying, and it might even be a female-specific form of bullying, or female, not specific, that's wrong. It's the form of bullying that goes after reputations, essentially, and that's a feminine form of bullying.
For women, words can destroy you, not actual violence, as violence is something that men have dealt with throughout history. Now, some watching this may say, but JP, men do this too. Men do this too. Well, here's the thing. Men who participate in this fuckery or this nonsense do it more as a mating strategy and a virtue signal. For example, it's like when you see men at abortion rallies. They're there because they know the women there are fucking.
City boy! City boy!
It's an evil world we live in.
Now, on that note, I'm going to end this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, peace.